Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe to the channel to receive more videos of our tried and tested recipes and become a part of our community. To do so, click on the subscribe button below the video. I'd like to share with you what I use on my kids and myself to help get rid of ear infections and ear pain. It's a tried and tested remedy that has worked wonderfully for us for years. I've used it with success on all 4 of my kids, and it requires only one ingredient: garlic oil. You can go the easy way and purchase garlic oil from an authentic seller or a store near you, or you can make it yourself if you're really on a tight budget and you need it fast. Of course, I advise you to buy the garlic oil, as it's quite affordable compared to other oils, and it lasts for ages as it's really potent and you'll only need a few drops at a time. It has many uses, including thickening the hair, fighting hair loss, applied externally on unopened wounds, on fungal and bacterial infections, healing hemorrhoids, and healing the colds and flu as part of the regular routine. I'll place a link in the video description below on where you can purchase it with a free worldwide delivery in less than 2 weeks. And I'll also go ahead and place a link to a video I made simplifying how to make garlic oil at home if you decide to go through that route. If you use either the homemade version or the store-bought, the instructions and the dosage will remain the same. The most important part is to use it as soon as you notice the symptoms or after being sure of an ear infection. You can visit the doctor to confirm the presence of an ear infection, or you can wait and watch out for the symptoms such as ear pain, high temperature accompanied by sore throat, coughing, and flu. Unfortunately, in most cases, once you visit the doctor, they will prescribe a week-long antibiotic in either a capsule or a liquid form, which is basically a chemical pharmaceutical medicine that can get rid of the infection within a few days, yet it has many noticeable side effects such as gut imbalance, diarrhea, stomach pain, and also it lowers the immunity by destroying the gut flora and destroying the positive as well as the negative bacteria in the gut, which is not always the best option in my opinion and the opinion of many practitioners and researchers. You can opt out and use herbal remedies, which are much more safer and natural. Don't get me wrong, I'm not advocating against antibiotic use completely, as there are a few very rare cases where antibiotics are life-saving, such as for chronic pneumonia, yet for ear infections, viral infections, and common colds and flu, it's best to go through the natural way, and for me, it's just not worth the risk of antibiotic use. So let's go back into our garlic oil. You would need to use it before bed, preferably. You place around 4 drops on the ear and massage in and around the ear. You can insert 2 to 4 drops in the ear. I usually get my son to open and close his mouth a few times. This will help to release the pressure. As you can see here, I'm using my thumb to massage in and around the ear, and I'm also putting gentle pressure. This will help in 2 ways. First, it will help to push away any accumulating fluid around the ear, as well as number 2, it introduces slight heat to encourage the skin to absorb the oil. I might also add 1 drop of tea tree oil when I massage the external part of the ear, and this helps too. You would also need to use it only externally and only when diluted with a carrier oil such as garlic oil. I do the same to the other ear. I put 2 to 4 drops on the inside, 1 drop on the back of the ear, and I begin to massage. I repeat this process every 4 hours or as needed. If you do this process right, you'll notice results in the next day where you will not need to repeat. It's a shorter, safer process, and to be honest with you, in most cases, I would only need to do this about 2 to 3 times and it's healed, alhamdulillah. And it amazes me every time the power of natural medicine in healing our bodies, and it inspires me to try and research more ways of incorporating it into our family's life and gradually stepping away from conventional pharmaceutical medicine as much as possible. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it and want similar tips and tricks to better and healthier living made simple, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. For now, stay safe and healthy. Take care.